One of the questions that I get asked a lot is, what is the recipe or where can I find the recipe? And the answer kind of surprises people because I don't really have recipes. A lot of the meals that I make week to week are not actually recipes. They're just selecting a protein and a carb, a fruit or a veggie, and then a flavor profile, all that fit within my goals, as well as making sure that there's something that my family will actually eat. And take it from me, a full-time working mom who's currently solo parenting Monday through Friday while my husband is away at work. Have two small kids who are home with me all the time because of summer break, who ask for snacks constantly. So meal prep is not necessarily something that I just enjoy now. It is a literal lifeline. I just do not have the capacity to scour the internet or cookbooks and find the perfect recipe for every square meal of the day. I am not going to be cooking that from scratch in the sense that you may assume. That said, my family does technically eat every meal from scratch. We rarely go out. That is like an occasional thing. And we're definitely not going out for like convenience meals. So, yes, I am cooking from scratch, but again, maybe not in the way that you assume. And it's really based on that formula thinking. So, making sure I'm batch prepping these proteins and carbs, fruits and veggies so that they're just easy to grab and essentially build meals from there. That's why I truly believe that it's more about learning how to build these meals instead of learning how to cook recipes. Because I really believe that once you know how to do that, you can open your fridge and easily put together a healthy and delicious meal in a few minutes using the things that you have on hand. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build high protein, healthy meals that your whole family will enjoy without relying on a ton of recipes. And once you understand this simple framework, you can create endless meal combinations without having to spend the time searching and saving recipes on Pinterest or TikTok or Instagram or wherever for your next meal idea. So let's get into it. Before I ever start meal prepping, I don't think about recipes, I think about building blocks. Every meal I make starts with these four building blocks: a protein, a carb, a vegetable, and a flavor. First, I choose my protein. This is the foundation of my meals because it's what helps keep me full and makes it easier to hit my protein goals. Some of my go to options are chicken breast, shrimp, chicken sausage for breakfast, eggs, and cottage cheese. Next, I pick one or two carbs. That might be sweet potatoes, rice, quinoa, protein pasta, or black beans, any other kind of bean. I choose foods that are versatile enough to work in multiple meals throughout the week. Then I add vegetables. I keep it really simple with things like frozen broccoli, bell peppers, cauliflower rice, either whatever I have already in the fridge or what sounds good that week. And finally, flavor. This is the building block that keeps meal prep really exciting. Instead of buying completely different ingredients every week, I like to change the flavor profile with things like seasonings, sauces. So, taco seasoning for more Latin dishes, soy sauce for more Asian inspired dishes, sriracha, maybe some tzatziki sauce I recently found, or just different spice blends. Once I have these four building blocks, creating meals becomes so much easier. Today I'm building a meal with chicken breast, sweet potatoes, bell peppers, and taco seasoning. From these simple ingredients, I can make a healthy, high protein meal without ever needing to follow a recipe. That's why I love this approach. It takes the guesswork out of meal prep and gives you endless combinations using ingredients you probably already have. I do want to point out this isn't necessarily how I meal prep every single week in terms of cooking a bunch of different flavors of chicken all in one pan, but I did want to show you just how much variety you can get from one simple protein. So I started by seasoning all of the chicken with garlic salt, then I divided it up and added different seasoning to each chicken breast. So one got taco seasoning, another got this no salt seasoning blend, and then another gets this bang bang seasoning. So from one batch of chicken, I already have the foundation for several different meals. I'll be making a loaded taco sweet potato, an Asian-inspired chicken bowl with rice and veggies, and a Greek chicken bowl. That's what I love about using these building blocks. I only have to cook chicken once, but by changing the seasonings and pairing it with different carbs, vegetables, and sauces, it feels like I'm eating something different every night instead of the same meal over and over again. This is one of those meals I feel like I could never get tired of because it's that good. I start with a base of roasted sweet potatoes, then layer on taco seasoned chicken, roasted bell peppers. You can customize this however you'd like. Add avocado, Greek yogurt, shredded cheese, salsa. What I love about this meal is it's incredibly filling because it has all of those four building blocks we talked about: a protein, carb, vegetables, and of course, plenty of flavor. It's simple, packed with protein, and it's just one of those meals that makes healthy eating feel easy instead of restrictive. Before we jump back into meal prep, I do want to take a minute to thank today's sponsor, Quince. I've been so curious about Quince for a while because I kept hearing people rave about the quality of their home products. We've been in our house for a few years now, and I'm always looking for simple ways to make our home feel a little more cozy and put together, so I was so excited to finally try them for myself. One thing I really appreciate about Quince is that they focus on quality first. They use premium materials, and because they work directly with manufacturers, they can offer beautiful, high quality pieces without the traditional retail markup. They were kind enough to send over a few items for me to try, and let me tell you, I'm genuinely loving everything that I picked out. This duvet cover instantly made our bedroom feel more elevated. My husband actually loves it. I didn't even show him prior, and I just put it on our bed and it's been great. We both love it. I also got a diffuser and candle. Man, this candle I think is one of my favorites. You can smell it before you even open the box. It's calming, it's elevated, it's great. It would be a perfect gift. And I've got finally some new upgraded salad tossers that were definitely needed in the kitchen. And I already know that this cozy blanket is going to be my favorite thing this fall once the weather finally cools off. If you'd like to check out Quince for yourself, I'll have everything I shared linked in the description below. Thanks again to Quince for sponsoring today's video, and let's get back to meal prep. For my next meal, I'm using the Asian seasoned chicken we made earlier. This is another great example of how changing the flavor completely transforms the meal, even though we're still using the same protein. I start with a base of rice I meal prepped earlier, then I like to mix in some cauliflower rice, just an easy way to get extra vegetables and volume while still keeping the meal really satisfying. Next comes the chicken, some peas for a little color and sweetness, and then I finish it off with Japanese barbecue sauce and a drizzle of sriracha for a little kick. I love this bowl because when it comes together in just a couple of minutes, I'm using the same ingredients I've already prepped, packed with protein, filling, and it tastes completely different from the taco bowl that we made earlier. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.